Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this device is not compatible issue. So first of all, what you have to do is long tap onto your Play Store, select the eye icon, and then clear the cache. Select storage, clear the cache like this, come back onto App Info page, force stop it, select OK, then restart your device, then again open your Play Store, search for the application and see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then head over to your settings. Scroll all the way below and select Software Update. You have to make sure that you are using the latest version in your software in your device. So go ahead and check for any updation. If you see any updation available, go ahead and update it. The last thing you can try is clear the cache. For example, if there are any applications that you do not need, you're going to have to long tap onto it and select uninstall and simply free up some storage. That way, the application that you are trying to install will get some extra space and it will fix the problem.